Get started with healthy eating essentials. Healthy eating is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, and it's essential for our overall well-being. When we fuel our bodies with the right foods, we have more energy, we're more focused, and we're better equipped to take on whatever life throws our way. So if you're ready to make a change and start prioritizing your health, then you're in the right place. Ready to fuel your body with the right nutrients? This video breaks down the must-have essentials for a balanced, healthy diet. Learn how to choose whole foods, maintain proper nutrition, and develop sustainable eating habits that boost energy, improve digestion, and support overall wellness. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to eat healthy is lack of time. We're all busy, and it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. But the truth is, healthy eating doesn't have to be time-consuming. With a little bit of planning and prep, you can have healthy meals ready to go in no time. Another challenge people face is lack of knowledge. There's so much conflicting information out there about what's healthy and what's not. It can be overwhelming. But the key is to keep it simple and focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Motivation is also a big one. It's easy to get excited about making healthy changes, but it's hard to stick to it. The key is to find your why, to figure out what's driving you to make these changes, and to use that as motivation to keep going. And finally, there's the challenge of breaking old habits. We're creatures of habit, and it's hard to change our ways, but the truth is, it's worth it. Every small change you make adds up, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. So, what does healthy eating really look like? It's about balance, it's about variety, and it's about making whole, unprocessed foods the star of the show. It's about including a rainbow of colours on your plate and making sure you're getting a good mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. It's about being mindful of your portion sizes and not overdoing it. And it's about making healthy choices most of the time, but still allowing yourself the freedom to indulge every now and then. When it comes to meal prep, it's all about simplicity and flexibility. You don't need to spend hours in the kitchen, and you don't need to make a million different meals. You can prep a few staples, like rice, quinoa, and roasted veggies, and then use those to make a variety of different meals throughout the week. You can also prep your protein, like chicken or tofu, and use that to make different meals. And don't forget to include healthy snacks, like fruits and nuts, to keep you going throughout the day. The key to making meal prep work for you is to find a system that you enjoy and that you can stick to. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things, and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection, and the more you prep, the easier it gets. You'll start to get into a groove, and you'll find that healthy eating becomes second nature. So, let's recap. Healthy eating is essential for our overall well-being, but it can be challenging. We need to overcome obstacles like lack of time, knowledge, and motivation, and we need to break old habits. But with a little bit of planning and prep, we can make healthy eating a breeze. We need to focus on balance, variety, and whole unprocessed foods, and we need to find a meal prep system that works for us. Thanks for joining me on this journey to healthy eating essentials. If you've got a favourite healthy eating tip or trick, leave it in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more healthy eating content, including easy recipes and meal prep ideas. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.